Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you how to crochet this really cute scarf. This scarf is suitable for people in all ages, so it doesn't matter if you're making it for 3 years old or for your mom or for your grandma. There are 3 parts. The scarf. It measures 21 inches by almost 5 inches. The keyhole measures almost 6 inches by 1.5 inches. And lastly is the flower. I have a separate video on the flower, which you can find it up here. So the flower is not included in this video, and the link is in the description box. For this project, you can use any types of yarn of your choice. I'm using this yarn, that's the number 4 medium. It's a mix with polyester, cotton, and acrylic. And as you can see, it's really soft. And I use a different yarn for the keyhole. You also need a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. Alright, let's get started. And we'll begin with the keyhole. And to begin the pattern, make a slip knot. Then insert the hook. Make sure it's not too tight. And make a chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. To begin round 1, start on the 3rd chain. That's 1, 2, 3, and place a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert. Make sure to insert into 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops. That's 1. And again on the next chain. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 2. 3. 4. 5. And the last one. 6. To begin the next round, 2 chains. 1, 2, and turn. On the first stitch, place a half double crochet. Then 1 half double crochet into every stitch. By the end of the round, you still have 6 stitches, and this is the repeat round. Repeat this round until it is about 6 inches, or longer if you want the keyhole to be bigger. To finish it off, I'm on my last stitch. Then 1 chain, and cut a long tail for stitching. The next step is to stitch the first row and the last row together. Part 2 is a scarf. Due to the yarn I'm using, it's difficult to see in front of the camera, so I'm using a different type of yarn for demonstration. We begin by making a slip knot. insert the hook, and make a chain that's about 23 inches long. Once the chain is done, and to begin round 1, start on the 3rd chain from the hook. That's this one here. Place a half double crochet. And half double crochet into every stitch into the end. And I'll meet you on the next round. To begin the next round, and this is the repeat round, 2 chains, 1, 2, and turn. Place a half double crochet into the first stitch. Make sure to insert into 2 loops. On the next stitch, place a half double crochet into the back loop. The back loop is a far away loop from us. That's this one, this one. So place a half double crochet into the back loop. Continue to make a half double crochet stitch into the back loop of every stitch until the last stitch, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, on the last stitch, place a half double crochet into 2 loops, just like the first stitch. Then 2 chains, and turn to begin the next round. Half double crochet into 2 loops on the first stitch. Then half double crochet into the back loop until the last stitch. And repeat this round for as many times as you like. Remember to insert into 2 loops on the first stitch and also the last stitch. The last step is to stitch the 2 pieces together. Once it's done, and you will have a new scarf for this year. And this will also make a great gift. And that's all for today. I hope you liked today's project. Please comment below to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!